Welcome back to Cars Binge, your go-to destination for all things supercars and beyond. Today, we're diving into Lamborghini's bold leap into the electric future, the 2026 Lamborghini Lanzador. This isn't just a concept anymore, it's a reality that blends the brand's unmistakable design language with groundbreaking EV tech. The Lanzador is a 2+2 Grand Tourer with coupe-like lines, dramatic proportions, and a high-riding stance that feels part supercar, part spaceship. The exterior boasts sharp aerodynamic cuts, signature Y-shaped lighting, and a silhouette that's both aggressive and futuristic. Built as part of Lamborghini's Direction sur Tourer roadmap toward electrification, the Lanzador is here to prove that performance and sustainability can share the same lane. Inside, the Lanzador feels like a vision of the future made real. Lamborghini has crafted a cockpit that's immersive and high-tech, while staying true to their extreme design philosophy. Sustainability plays a big role here, with eco-conscious materials like recycled carbon fiber and merino wool, yet it all feels ultra-premium. The driver sits low and centered, surrounded by a yoke-style steering wheel, dual digital displays, and a floating center console that looks like it was lifted straight from a concept sketch. Surprisingly, the Lanzador includes rear seating, not a common feature in most Lambos, making it slightly more practical without losing its exotic edge. It's a digital, luxurious, and unapologetically modern interior built for the next generation of drivers. Underneath that futuristic shell lies some serious firepower, even if it's all electric. The Lanzador is powered by dual electric motors, one on each axle, giving it advanced all-wheel drive capabilities and a mind-blowing output of over 1,300 horsepower. That kind of power means a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in under 2.5 seconds, putting it toe-to-toe with the fastest EVs, and even internal combustion hypercars. Lamborghini has packed it with cutting-edge torque vectoring and a new battery management system that ensures optimal performance, regardless of the terrain or drive mode. Sure, it might be silent compared to a V12, but the raw acceleration and grip will leave your heart pounding just the same. When it hits the road, the Lanzador delivers more than just speed, it brings versatility and control. Thanks to its adaptive air suspension and active aerodynamics, it's capable of switching from smooth city cruiser to sharp-handling beast with the push of a button. Whether you're gliding through urban streets or carving up a winding mountain pass, the Lanzador feels balanced, confident, and thrilling. Its elevated ride height improves daily drivability while still keeping that low-slung supercar aura. Lamborghini is aiming for a range of around 300 miles, supported by fast charging that brings real-world practicality into the mix. It's a car designed for the future, but ready for today's roads. So what's the final verdict on the 2026 Lamborghini Lanzador? Simply put, it's a game-changer. Lamborghini has managed to create an electric Grand Tourer that doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. It keeps the soul of the brand alive through its dramatic looks, extreme performance, and emotional design, all while embracing an electric future. This isn't just a stepping stone, it's a statement. If this is what Lamborghini's electric era looks like, then we're more than ready for what's coming next. Let us know in the comments, is the Lanzador a true Lamborghini in your eyes, or does it miss the mark? Be sure to like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you don't miss the latest from Cars Binge. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.